Alright, welcome to another Draw Power video, and in this video we're going to do some simple but effective painting. And so what I'll be doing is I'm going to start with just 3 colors, and then I'm going to blend those colors and color this sketch. And this is a sketch that I've already sketched earlier. So again, just 3 colors. We're going to mix and blend them and come up with other colors to paint this face. Well, let's get into it. So first, let's start with 3 colors. Let's see, and you'll notice that this video has been sped up a bit just so that it's not too long. And so here we have an orange, and then we also have a pink color and then a yellow. And so let's blend these colors up and see what we get. So of course, first of all, we're always trying to get a skin tone, and then we're going to try and get a tone for the hair, and then we'll do some highlights and shadows. So pretty much just 3 steps here. So we're blending together the hot pink and the yellow, and it looks like we have what could be a decent skin tone there. So we'll put that down into the blended colors there. All right, more blending is what we need here. So let's grab the orange and the pink and see what we get from the orange and the pink. So blend those up on that mixing plate smoothly, round and around and around in a circle. And that comes out to a nice light pink. Looks like we should be able to use that, or something that's close to a skin tone. All right, we're going back with the orange again. And then let's do some yellow this time. Orange and yellow, round and round in a circle, mix it up. Let's see what we get. Then we'll put another color into the blended colors. All right, that gives us like an interesting shade of a skin tone there. Right, we're still going here. So I'm going to go ahead and grab that light pink that I got from a different mix, and then put that with a hot pink, and let's see what I get when I blend those together. Again, using the blending brush to blend that on the mixing plate there. And it gives me a better light pink, actually. The other pink was more of a skin pink. This was more of a standard light pink. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab one of the earlier skin tones and throw some orange up there, and I know that's going to give me kind of a mid skin tone. It's probably going to be more usable here. All right, not bad. Put that into the blended colors there. Grabbing another blended color. Trying this here. Let's try this set again. Same thing. That one looks a little bit darker. Well, let's go ahead and go in. So we got our skin tone here that we're going to use. So let's go ahead and put these flats in on the face, not painting the eyes. I usually just leave the eyes alone. One day I'll start painting them. Putting in some flats, and then now we got to figure out what we're going to do for the hair. So we're going to clean up those flat colors around the chin there. All right, it's decent. It's not perfect, it's decent. And again, we're trying to be efficient with our painting, be organized and paint quickly. We don't want to spend forever on this, but we also want it to look very good when we're done. As you can see here, we're going with the yellow for the hair. Put that in. It looks very bright yellow now, but it won't stay that way because we're going to blend some colors in with the yellow. We just want to get these flats laid in for the yellow. Clean those up a little bit. All right, and so next I'm putting some light pink, some of that light pink that I mixed over some of the softer parts of the face, like the lips and around the top of the eyes, around the bottom of the nose, where there's more blood that comes into the face. In those areas, the light pink that we mixed, it came in handy. Okay, now we're going to throw some highlights into the hair, and you're seeing that bottom right color that I blended, that light burnt orange. We're mixing that in, and we're also mixing in some of that pink into the hair, and then we're going to get the blending brush, some orange and pink, and then we're going to blend that in. And these are the parts of the hair where it's a bit darker because that hair is curving around, as you can see. Let's blend that in smoothly. See, it makes the hair look more 3D now. Now we're going to grab some of that hot pink, some of the raw hot pink from the primary colors. I'm going to splotch that in, just splotch it in because we're going to blend it. And as you can see, as we blend that out with the blending brush, it smooths into the darker areas and it gives some more pop to the hair. And so now what we're going to do is put some light shadowing. So as you're seeing, we're putting some shadowing underneath the chin and over the areas where the chin hangs, and then also on the left side of the face, around the bottom of the cheekbone, around the bottom of the lip, and around that chin. Just enough to give it some decent lighting effect. And now I'm trying to, let's see, figure out what I'm going to do for the lips. I'm going to do the hot orange, the hot pink. That's a little loud. Let's see, how about that softer pink that we blended earlier? That comes in handy, right? It still pops, but it's soft enough to be a lipstick here. And I also like to do the lipstick and the eyeshadow together. Now I'm throwing highlights over the lips. You see just two white spots on the lips, on the edge of the nose, some of the rounder parts of the face. And then I'm putting highlights over the hair where it bends. And then I'm not smudging, I'm not blending these, but I'm smudging these. So keep that in mind, to smudge. So I'm smudging these in, and then that's pretty much going to do it. So nothing extremely complex. We just laid in some flats. We did some shadows and some highlights. We blended in some colors into the hair to make it look realistic. And there you have it. So hopefully that was helpful. We started with 3 colors and we blended them all and made this work. So if you like this, come back again and we'll do this again sometime. All right. Thank you for watching.